Okay, today we're gonna make a video about how to easily kill a terror bird. I recommend this using a hammer because it does critical hits. So same with the rhino and the mammoth, but it's gonna take a little bit to get to the legendary hammer. What I would do, if I was you, I would start buying the old axe, and then you go to strong axe, and then you go legendary axe. Okay? So we're gonna show you how quick it kills it. I haven't played the terror bird yet, but I've killed quite a bit of rhinoceroses with this. So we're just gonna test it, okay? See how it's just showing me how? Because it's new. Headshots? Okay, day one. I heard that these things are very fast. Yes. And then they charge. And they're very hard to hit. I think the only way to hit them good is from above. So yeah, this is an easy way to kill a terror bird. Yay! Good food for the village, huh? No ads, let's just buy this. There we go. As you can see, I've never used a legendary knife. Stones are amazing. Boomerang shurikens. So, we're going to test the knife out. Excuse me. I've been sick for some couple days. So, right off. Not very good. Well, that's gonna be a headshot. Oh! Okay, 120, pretty good. The hammer does a little bit more, it does 160, I think it is. I advise throwing it up in the air with this one. Yeah, that killed it much quicker. So, right now, the best weapon so far is the knife and the legendary axe. Let's try triple spears. When you guys probably go against it, you're probably gonna have either double spears, or when you go against rhino, you're probably gonna have the old axe, this old knife, or stones. Stones are always good because it's triple and just 5 damage for each stone. So we're gonna try triple spears on day 3. It's gonna have much more health, but it's always worth a try. Yes, you can see right off. It is very useful. Make it rain. Yes, but it does much less damage. As you can see, almost already dead. As you can see, killed it. Not in only either 15 seconds or 25 seconds. I do not know. But so we tried that. We're gonna try every weapon. Next up is the legendary stones. Day 4. Let's try this. Okay, I heard that it does. Yeah, it throws lots of stones. That's good for making a rain. Yep. The problem is this terror bird is very fast. You're gonna want to get way back for these guys. And he's charging. As you can see, you could barely make it out of his charges. I'm dead. Yep. So I wouldn't call the legendary stones much to be able to use for this guy because they do very less damage. Not much, okay? It's not much. Let's try these guys. Let's try sickles. I heard that if you don't get it right, it won't stick in. Yeah. You see 5 damage. Instead of the 90 it's supposed to do. So that's like not the good thing about these. And then, yeah, same. Yeah. I would, spears, hammer, and knives so far. And I have not used the boomerang. I'm gonna be testing out the boomerang. I've heard that it curls around it and hits it again. See, as you can see, it does very less damage. Much less damage. Not very good, I would say. That was too close. And if you guys haven't heard of King Daddy DMX, you should go visit his channel. He is my favorite guy. Favorite YouTuber. He's gonna charge right here. As you can see, very weak, very weak. And this is the legendary one, which is pretty incredible. I'm dead, yep. I would not recommend using boomerang. Last but not least, the shurikens. That was very weird. I'm dead. Whoa, lucky. Lucky. That was extremely lucky. I'm dead. Yep. I would recommend hammer, spears, and throwing knives. Because they do extensively. And maybe the circle. Because they do extraordinary amounts of damage. So, yeah, check out King Daddy DMX channel, and hope you subscribe to him, and hope you subscribe to this video. I meant me, sorry. Typo. And like this video, comment. I'm going to try to answer to all your comments. So, I hope you enjoyed. Peace out, buds.